Hi everyone, this is Chef Alex and you're at the beautiful property of Club Mahindra Sunora. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dish again. It's shakuti. Here in Asnora we have a lovely chef's garden where we have different types of herbs, vegetables and fruits which are grown in here. So it's all organic, very safe to eat, no problems. Here we have a lot of coconut trees, so most of the dishes which we are going to make today are with coconut. So let's start. First off, we take some nice grated coconut. We got cinnamon, which is still growing in our garden. Then we got some cardamoms, peppers from our garden itself. Then we got some dry coriander seeds, some red chilies. These are again from our garden. And the main dish of this shakuti is the couscous. It gives you nice nutty flavor. A little couscous, and then we have garlic and ginger. So once all your masalas are here, then we have to roast these masalas. So we have to take a frying pan and roast these masalas. Once the roasted masalas are grinded, this is how it looks like. It's like a smooth paste. And this is how it looks. Next step is the cooking part. For that we require coconut oil and we'll do it in the earthen way. So once the coconut oil is nice and hot, we put in some onions. Once the onions are ready, we put in some tomatoes. The good thing about this dish is we can make vegetable shakuti, we can make fish shakuti, we can make chicken or mutton, whatever we prefer. Even the paneer, for vegetarians we can put vegetables and paneer both together. Let the onions and tomato cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and once this is ready, then we are going to put our masalas in. So now we are going to add the masala in this. Maybe it will take some 10 to 15 minutes for the masala to cook. Once the masala starts bubbling, we're going to put some water in there. And let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Done. So once the curry starts boiling, we can add our vegetable in the curry. It's not only restricted to vegetable, we can put fish, we can put chicken, we can put mutton, we can put paneer. So the curry is ready. We're going to put some fresh vegetable from our garden. We got some cauliflower and carrots and beans. And to finish this dish off, we are going to use some nice curry leaves. And we are done with the curry. So now I'm going to plate the dish. This can be best have with rice. I prefer to have with rice, but somebody who doesn't like rice, we can have it with goan poi bread. It go best with the rice or the bread, goan breads.